Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anju. So our today's topic is square trick of two-digit numbers. So without wasting time, let's start. Suppose we have an example of 17 square. For that, first we have to take the square of all individual numbers. That is 1 square, then 7 square. Okay, so what is the square of these numbers? 1 and 49. Then we have to do an addition. So by which number we have to do an addition? For that we have to multiply all these numbers. That is 1 into 7 into 2. So its multiplication is 14. So what we have to do is that we have to leave the last place. You have to leave the last place. That is, so we can write here 14. So our answer would be 289. So 17 square is 289. Okay. Suppose we take another example, that is 36. So in this also we have to take an individual squares. That is 3 square, then 6 square. It is 9 and 36. Then we have to do an addition. That is 3 into 6 into 2. So what is multiplication? That is 36. So again we have to leave the last place. So what would be the sum? 6, 9 and 12. So 36 square is 1296. Okay, 36 square is 1296. Suppose we take another example, that is 48 square. That is 4 square, then 8 square. 4 square is 16 and 8 square is 64. Then we have to do the addition. For that we have to multiply each digit. Okay, that is 4 into 8 into 2, which is equal to 64. Always remember that we have to leave the last place. Okay, after that only we have to do the addition. So the 48 square is this number, 2304. Okay. Now if we take another example, that is 89 square. For that, as we have done here, we have to do same process. That is 8 square, 9 square. 8 square is 64, then 9 square is 81. Then we have to do the addition. That is 8 into 9 into 2. Okay. Its multiplication is 144. So 1, 2, 9, 7. So this would be the answer. Suppose if we have the last digit, is 5. Suppose we take an example of 45. For this we have another process, that is we have to write this 4 as it is. Then we have to add 1 to this 4. That is 4 plus 1. Okay, 4 plus 1. Then we have to do the multiplication of these number. That is 4 into 5, which is equal to how much? 20. Then we have to take the square of this 5 square. Okay. So this is the square of 45. That is 2025. Suppose our other example is 75. 75 square. For 75 square, again always remember that 4 5 in coming at last. If the number is coming 5 at last, then we have to take the first number, then add the one number to the first number, and then we have to do the multiplication. Then we have to take the square of the 5. Okay, so for that, this 7 into 7 plus 1. Okay, then we have to take the square of this number. So 7 into 8, 5 square. 7 8 is 56. So 75 square is 5625. Okay. Now suppose we have the example 83 square. For that we have to take 8 square, then 3 square. 8 square is 64, 3 square is 9. We cannot write this 9 as single, so we have to put this 0 at front. Okay, in front. So we cannot write whatever may be the digit. If any of the other digit, if its square is coming single digit, then we have to add 0 in front. Okay, then we have to do 8 into 3 into 2 as process we have done before. Then we have to do multiplication. What is the multiplication of this? It's 48. Then answer is 9886. So 83 square is 6889. Suppose we take an example of 61 square. We have to take the square of an individual number, that is 6 square, then 1 square. What is the square of these numbers? 36 and 1. We cannot write a single digit, so we have to put the 0 over here. Okay, then we have to multiply each and individual numbers. So it is 12. We have to leave the last digit. Always remember that we have to leave the last place in addition. Okay, so 6 to 12. Then what would be the answer? 3721. So this is the answer. Suppose we take an example of 21 square. 21 square. So we have to take the square of an individual number, that is 2 square and 1 square. It's 4 and 1. We cannot write as a single digit, so we have to put the 0. Okay, then we have to do multiplication of each and individual number. 2 1 into 2, that is 4. We have to leave the last digit and then we have to do the addition. So we got the answer 441. So the square of 21 is 441. Okay, so hope all of you understood the squaring of 2-digit number. If you understand, please like my channel and subscribe to my channel. If you want make me more new videos, let me know in comment section. Thank you.